You know, it's a different type of mobile banking. Instead of an app on your phone, this bank, as you see here, is on wheels, and it's bringing financial services to underserved neighborhoods in greater Cleveland. And new data shows that those services are needed now more than ever.
We want everyone to have access to banking services and products.
Pat Pastore, regional president of PNC Cleveland, says the bank's mobile branch is helping fill a growing need. The 30-foot truck turned bank travels to local organizations every other week, like the Cleveland Food Bank.
This is just a great opportunity for our neighbors in addition to food.
Tiffany Scruggs, the executive director of the Food Bank's Community Resource Center, says the mobile branch reaches people who have little access to banking services.
When you're on a fixed income, it's not easy for you to just go to another destination. And so partnering with PNC to make sure that this is all accessible in one place is so important.
The bank on wheels offers most features of brick and mortar branches.
We have an ATM that you can see. We can take an application and open a savings or a checking account immediately. We can issue a debit card, and we also take loan applications and so forth, and teller type operations.
Those services are becoming harder to find in Cleveland. A recent analysis of Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation data by Signal Cleveland shows banks closed branches in Cleveland at nearly 2 times the rate as they did in the rest of Cuyahoga County over the last decade. Cleveland had almost 30% fewer bank branches in 2023 than it did in 2013. We told you back in February that Huntington Bank's branch in the Buckeye neighborhood shut down temporarily due to violence in that area. The bank branch's future is still uncertain.
And when they leave, we ain't gonna have nowhere to go. It is hard for my wife and I to go to bank.
But at least one bank is bucking the trend.
Bank of America is expanding branches in Northeast Ohio?
Yes, we're currently at 14 financial centers throughout the Northeast Ohio area, and we have plans to open 2 more this year.
Lupe Sanchez at Bank of America tells me they're targeting underbanked areas.
As an example, we have our financial center at Carnegie and 79th, and it is very clear from day one that there was a financial desert around that area because that center is nonstop from the moment we open our doors to when we close.
Still, research from the nonprofit Prosperity Now shows about 5% of Cleveland households do not have a bank account, and about 13% of Cleveland households are considered underbanked, meaning they have a bank account, but they rely on check cashing services and payday lenders.
As you can imagine, how difficult it would be going through your daily routine if you can't pull out a debit card or you don't have the ability to write a check for something. So it's our goal to build stronger communities through financial empowerment.
So for security reasons, PNC's mobile bank doesn't publicly announce when or where they're going to show up, but organizations that host it will notify their clients in advance. They could take advantage of those opportunities. Meantime, both KeyBank and Fifth Third have financial classrooms on wheels that travel to underbanked communities. Fifth Third Bank's Empowerment Mobile, or eBus, is equipped with computers, Wi-Fi, and satellite technology. Bankers on board provide free financial advice, everything from understanding credit scores to budgeting, as well as other services.
We help people get mortgages, open accounts, start businesses. We want people to be comfortable so that they understand and they feel good about coming to a financial institution.
Fifth Third's eBus is going to be making stops in Northeast Ohio in May. Details still being worked on right now. Of course, we're going to share locations and times with you if they become available.